Okay, I'm going to just demonstrate how to make sure you can match up your pockets correctly. You might notice that I have two piles of the pocket pieces. One's for the mouth and one's for the cheek. And when I cut them, I actually folded the material in half and I cut two of each. So that means that these guys are mirror images. That kind of makes it easier for me to set up. But now when I'm going to assemble these together, the pocket and the cheek, I want to make sure that they're lined up correctly. So it's a little tricky, but you can tell if you use your template. You could see this isn't lining up. But if I turn this over, it lines up perfectly. The inside, the cheek part is going to be on the inside, and the mouthpiece that points towards the front will go over it. This is what you're going to see on the lining, and you see that I've already turned these in. I've rolled them, so I turned it in 1/4 of an inch and turned it in 1/4 of an inch again and sewed it down. So when you sew these together, they're going to line up covering each other, so it'll look really nice and clean when you insert your pocket. Insert your filter. So if I was going to assembly line sew, I would probably do a whole stack of them and then sew them. But for the demonstration, I'm just gonna do one. And I would normally use white thread, but I will demonstrate just with the black thread that I have, and I'll bring this closer so you can kind of see it a little bit better. But you only need to tack it down. You just need to give it a few stitches to hold it down together. Cut it. This is my thread saver. And tack this side down. I tacked it down about 1/8 of an inch because when I assemble the whole piece together, which I can do right now, they will be hidden. So now I need to find the right matching piece for the other side. So this is a full face piece cut from this. So you can see it's lined up, but because I'm matching it, I need the other side. And so I'm going to sew these 1/4 of an inch all the way around. I like to start at the nose part and with just like set to 1, which tightens the stitch, and then after I've gotten past the entrance, because I don't want it to open up when I'm putting them together, I can go at 2.5. So there you have it. Now my lining is done.